lovelies, I hope you're all doing all right. It is your girl Fox and Suitcase here, and for those who are new, welcome to my channel. I am Fox and Suitcase or Jackie. Well, my lovelies, in today's adventure we are going to the Starbucks Reserve, which is behind me. Well, the Starbucks Reserve in Milan is one of the biggest Starbucks reserves in Europe and one of the biggest also in the world. So guys, are you ready for this adventure? Because I am. So before we go, my lovelies, do not forget to subscribe. Subscribing is for free. Do not forget also to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much, my lovelies, for those who've subscribed, and continue you know, liking my videos and putting a comment, and why not sharing it out, and you know, for helping out your girl over here. So my lovelies, are you ready? Because I am. So let's go. Hi my lovelies, I've just gotten my stracciatella shake, so I'm ready to have it. Let me show you around.